Like, I'm just shooketh.
Goes to Jeanine and he's like, you're so vague.
Hello vlog fam, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been a good bit since I've vlogged. I did not vlog like pretty much at all this week, unfortunately. I had a really chaotic week. Like, I can't even explain it to you. So nothing was really exciting worth vlogging. The only thing that was exciting worth vlogging was that I hung out with Jess and Gabriel Conte. They were amazing. We went to church together. So I will include a little clip of that really quickly because I absolutely adore them. All right, just made it. I'm looking for this restaurant. Oh, I think I see it. Here we are. Hello. Okay, hi. Hi. Hello. I just discovered. Wait, what about the utensils?
You may have seen us doing this when you walked up. It's magnetic for some reason.
Oh, that is it. Wait, mine's not.
Oh.
I'm not cool.
Wait, no, pick up your. Do it the other way, the knife.
Honestly, mine's gone now.
Mine's still good.
Never mind.
Okay, we'll drop it. Okay, so we're at Marmalade. I got the salmon. Oh, that plate is hot. What'd you guys get?
We got the same thing.
Wow, are you guys like married or something?
Marriage.
Yeah. All right, guys. How was dinner?
It was really good.
This couple, they are so cute. So we're now going to church home. I haven't been here in months, and it's exciting always like meeting other Christians and people who want to go to church.
Yeah.
I'm excited. Yeah, so if you guys want to come check it out, I will link it below or whatever, but it's called Church Homes. It's Wednesdays at 8 p.m., so give it a go.
Together, I'm like, okay.
Whoa, hi.
There's going to be people out there. I think we have about 30 people who are getting baptized tonight, and everyone will have, I know, it's amazing.
So there's that. I hung out with them, went to church with them, and I would love to hang out with them again in the future. But you guys, it is now Friday. The weekend is here. I normally like to vlog my weekends because they're always, you know, random and crazy and you never know what's gonna happen. So I just got out of a meeting with my nutritionist. You guys, I absolutely adore her. I really want to do a whole video of showing you guys what I've learned through her and kind of debunking the myths and her answering your nutritional questions. So please let me know if you guys would want that because I think that'd be such a great beneficial video for all of us. And now I'm on my way to go meet it with Kenzie Piper, Kenzie Elizabeth. We're doing a collab today. I'm really excited about that. Definitely could use another cup of coffee because I was up really late last night editing because I just uploaded my Apple video, but everything, you guys, has been so much better since my like how I'm feeling video. Like, I have really been trying to seriously take mental health, you know, serious, and sleeping and working out and eating healthy and really just trying to be conscious of my thoughts and how I'm speaking to myself. All right, I'm going to go meet up with Kenzie. We're going to film and then we're just gonna see where this weekend takes us in this vlog. Hope you guys enjoy it and let's do it. Alright guys, I'm about to swing and get Kenzie and oh my goodness, and we're gonna skirt through this light. In this collab with Kenzie, I actually want to talk to her about like the difference between,
turn left.
Oh my gosh, my maps has just been really making me mad. I really want to talk to her about the difference between LA and Texas because we're both from Dallas and we both moved to LA, and I kind of want to share with you guys like our perspective in the video of like Texas versus LA. So that'll be a nice little portion of our video. Hey, she's here.
Hey guys.
Kenzie Piper, everybody.
I forget that's my last name sometimes.
I know. I always know as Kenzie Elizabeth.
That's crazy.
Hello, you look great today.
Hi,
love the
thank you.
hair. Okay, so this is a portion of my vlog. So we're gonna just give you guys a little sample of what's to come. We're gonna be talking some real good stuff in this video. And if you guys want to see the full length video, it'll be live. I don't know when we want to post.
Yeah, I'm good with whatever.
We'll let you guys know on the good old IG. But yeah, we're gonna now film the actual video, so we'll see you guys soon. All right, we made a quick stop. We're actually at Tender Greens. This is not included in our drive with me, so I thought I would include this here. I'm excited to go though. I'm hungry. You guys, look how good this looks. And my little date for the day.
Guys.
What'd you get? Chicken?
Yeah, tell them about someone.
Oh yeah, tell them this.
Okay, so Jeanine was vlogging and we walk up and this guy, like, I don't know, a waiter or something here, he like goes to Jeanine and he's like, "You're so vague." Like, what? I don't think he would really sound like that. It was so weird.
It was just, I was just vlogging and he goes, "You're so vain." Like, I didn't know what to say. And I said, "It's kind of for my job."
It was so weird.
Yeah, that was kind of awkward. Hello guys, wow, update time. So here with Shelby now. I finished my collab with Kenzie. It was really, really good. And then I went home and fell asleep and got some work done. Now we are sitting in lovely LA traffic. Our favorite. So we're trying to go to Hermosa right now to go watch a movie and cook some dinner with some friends. But let me show you guys what we're working with here. It's so annoying. So it says it's gonna take 42 minutes. And this is what we're working with. Love it. Alright guys, so I sat in traffic for a whole freaking hour and now I just got to Sarah's my best friend. We're gonna do dinner and a movie night. You guys, look at what they set up here on the rooftop. It's so cool. So we got the little lights going. We got a movie projector. We're gonna watch a movie out here. Let's go see what everyone else is doing inside. Woo! Hi Penny. Hi Liz. Oh, bye Liz. So got ourselves a glass of wine. We're cooking dinner right now. And I'm just excited to just have a nice chill night. Oh, we're gonna do dinner outside, then a movie. I know, right? You're canceled. Wow, that food sucked. Look at this.
Absolutely terrible.
Yeah, it was horrible, disgusting. Classic Sarah, classic.
Just gonna take care of this real quick.
Wow, you guys have been spending too much time together. Hello everybody, good morning, happy Saturday. So you guys, last night I had so much fun with my friends. We watched a movie and we drank wine and had popcorn and watched, I think this movie called Entourage, which is a little raunchy if you ask me. I do not enjoy raunchy movies like that. And then Shelby and I went back together, went home, and now you guys, it's a new day. Right now I'm about to go to the gym. I'm gonna show, that was not English. I'm gonna share with you guys what workout I'm gonna do today. I'm still sore from the workout I did 2 days ago, but today we gonna get this freaking bread, y'all. So I'm gonna go to Equinox. You guys, can I just say something? I got a partnership with Equinox, a year-long partnership as of like a couple weeks ago, no, like a week ago. A dream come true, you guys. Like, I signed up with them already way before you guys know that, and have just honestly been raving about them. And I'm not even being paid to say this, I promise you. And I just freaking love that gym. So if you guys want to sign up, there's like a little referral program you guys can use my code and say Jeanine Amapola when you sign up. So do that if you guys want to sign up at Equinox. But I got a partnership with them and I'm just like, I'm freaking out because that's like a dream come true to actually work with Equinox. Like, I'm just shooketh. Okay, I will never say that word again. So I'm gonna get ready for the gym. I'm gonna show you guys my fit really quickly. I'm gonna snap my fingers and I'm gonna be in the outfit. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, here's today's workout outfit. I'm gonna show you guys this in the mirror really quickly because I just got this from Equinox. Look how cute this is. I'm obsessed. I think it's from the APL brand. Oh no, it's from Varley. I love this color. All right, here's today's fit, you guys. So my room is a mess, please forgive me. After Sri Lanka, you guys, I gained quite a bit of weight just because I wasn't eating my normal foods, wasn't working out, and just was overeating. So I have lost weight again. So I'm back on track with that. So here's today's outfit. This is what it looks like. Has a little mesh right here. And then I'm wearing my Fabletics shoes. I love their stuff so much. And then yeah, here's what the back looks like. Since I'm here on the treadmill, I'm finishing up my workout with 10 to 15 minute walk with 6.5 incline floor speed. That will be the end of this workout. All right, for my post-workout, I will be taking this. I will be taking 2 scoops of this and just mixing it with some water in a shaker. All right, guys, I am back home. I had a really freaking killer workout, you guys. I burned about 540 calories. That is incredible. I mean, honestly, my workouts normally would burn around 330, 400, but I just been really trying to like really push myself harder, and I think the sprints in the beginning are gonna make a nice difference. And let me again try to emphasize what I meant by the sprint. So you're gonna go in the scale meal, scale mail? I think that's what it's called, something with the scale. And you're gonna go in there, you're gonna jog for a minute, and then you're gonna try and run as fast as you can for 30 seconds. And you're gonna hop off for 30 seconds or walk, and then jump on again, run as fast as you can for 30 seconds, hop off, repeat. Do again, one more 30 seconds, run, and then hop off, and then you're done. And that is a great way to warm up your body, but make sure you stretch and everything beforehand, okay? I'm gonna make a post-workout smoothie now. Pretty hungry. I only had coffee and an apple today, so I'm going to make a smoothie, and then I'm gonna go head down to my friend's place, and we're going to watch the Texas game. There's a party tonight. There's a Friendsgiving party, which is like a Thanksgiving party where everyone contributes food and we all hang out. It's gonna be really fun. So I got a shower, I gotta get ready for the day, and I'm really pumped for today. I think it's gonna be a great day, so let's do it. All right, so here's what's gonna go in today's smoothie. We're gonna put strawberries, blueberries, chia seeds, vital proteins, which are collagen peptides. These are good for your skin, hair, skin, nail, joints, protein powder, plant-based, hemp seeds, spinach, a little bit of almond milk, and half an avocado. A lot of spinach. 1 scoop of protein powder. And put 1 to 2 scoops of this. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and then a tablespoon of hemp seeds. And put half this avocado. The avocado adds a nice creaminess to it, and plus it's just healthy fats for you. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of almond milk, and then water and ice cubes. So here's the smoothie. It's gonna look a little funky, I'm not gonna lie. If it does taste a little too, I guess you could say healthy, you can just add a couple drops of liquid stevia in there. I got this from Trader Joe's. Calorie-free, a way better substitute than like actual sugar. So I'm just gonna put just like maybe 2 drops in there, and then we're good to go. Okay guys, update time. So I am now using my phone. I decided not to bring my vlog camera because it's too big to lug around. I need to get a new, smaller camera. So I'm gonna be vlogging from my phone. I'm running down to Party City to go pick up some mustaches, because for one of the parties we have tonight, it's called Mustachio Bashio. And basically everyone goes and we all show up wearing mustaches. It's in support of prostate cancer. So here's what I decided to do with my hair and makeup. That's what that looks like. I just curled my hair. I'm wearing this outfit right here. Come on, lighting. Okay, it does not want to focus or do the lighting, but this is what I'm wearing. So yeah, I'm gonna go get this stuff, and then I'm gonna head down to Hermosa. I'm gonna have a great time, so I'm excited to see you guys there. On the hunt for mustaches. I don't even know where I would find these. It's cool because everyone also shows up and they donate $10, so it's for a good cause. Look at this one and this one. I'm getting them both. Hi, Benny boy. I'm vlogging right now. I know, I'm going to this Friendsgiving, but it's hard to say goodbye to this cutie pie. This is Bentley. Texas is playing right now. Alright, you guys, I'm leaving this party or house, whatever this is, and I'm going to go to the Friendsgiving dinner, and then I'm going to come back here later, but we're going to go get some food because I'm honestly so freaking hungry. I cannot wait to eat. Friendsgiving! Woo!
So much wax, there's so much blood about! Yeah!
How long have we been growing out our stashes for? Too long.
I mustache your question. I don't think I have the right razor.
Wait, say it again.
I mustache your question.
But she'll shave it for later. Hello everybody, I am back home. I am so freaking tired. I just drove back and I'm like, oh my goodness, I want to go to bed. I'm volunteering at church in the morning, so I have to get up quite early, so I'm back home. We had so much fun tonight. It was just great to see everybody. Like every time all my friends and I get together, it's just a freaking great time. So you guys, I'm so tired. Cannot wait to go to bed. See you guys tomorrow morning. Bye. Good morning everybody. Happy Sunday. You guys, I'm about to go to church. Here's what I'm wearing today. So today I am on greeting at the door. Gonna go to church and have a great day, so let's go.
Holding fires with praying and singing hymns to God.
Here's today's church outfit. Hello guys, I'm back home from church. I am looking so rough. I'm honestly so tired. I lay down for like 2 seconds and I started falling asleep and I was like, oh my gosh, the vlog. So, woke up. And I am now just gonna be hanging out the rest of the day, getting some work done, editing, all that good stuff. I'm going to end the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this weekend's vlog. I'm going to Dallas on Tuesday for Thanksgiving. It's gonna be a really, really good week there. I cannot wait to share that with you guys. So hopefully you will stick around for those vlogs. Thank you for watching today's vlog. Let me know if you had fun, if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Peace out, Girl Scout. Bye, guys.